Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to show you guys how to split a design into two using the Makeit software here and the Illustrator software. I always recommend you learn Illustrator because it's universal across all lasers. It's a little bit more complicated and there might be a few extra steps depending on the situation, but there's a lot more options to do and it's made for that. But with the Makeit software, I had a request specifically on how to do this within this software here from WeCreat. And so I'm going to show you a roundabout way that you can do this because there is no dedicated way of doing it. This split button here is not just something that will split the design in half. That will just separate your SVG file into multiple different points. So that doesn't really do anything in this situation. What we need to do is we need to draw out a rectangle like this up to the center point. So something like this here where you want it to be split. Then we're going to copy that rectangle and we're going to paste it. So it's an identical rectangle and we're going to snap those two rectangles together so they match up just like this here. Now what you want to do is highlight your whole design with the rectangles and everything and move that design off to the left. Create a copy of everything and paste it. We're going to move it to the right here so you can kind of see both designs side by side and they're perfect copy of each other. What we're going to do is we're going to start on this side over here and we're going to click the inside engraving only and hold shift and we're going to click this right rectangle that we created. We're going to come up to merge and click subtract. What that's going to do is it's going to delete the entire right side of your screen of the engraving only. I know what you're thinking, well, you didn't get the outside cut line, and we're going to do that now. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our left rectangle we created, grab the outside line here and move it all the way to the right now. We're going to hold shift and click that outside cut. We're going to do the same thing, merge and subtract. We now have the entire left side of the image perfectly cut out, exactly what we want. Now we're going to do the opposite on this side. We're going to start with the inside engraving, hold shift and click this left rectangle, go to merge and subtract. Now we're going to go to the outside rectangle and pull that over, click shift and hold the outside cut here and go to merge and subtract. And now we have our image perfectly split into two and they can connect like that. After you print it, you can make this as large as you want so you can print this entire canvas with just this side and this side on another canvas and make a really large sign out of it. That's why you would split designs like this, is to make really large signs. So that's how you do it in the Makeit software. That's the roundabout way that I came up with for the person who requested this video. Now in Illustrator, there's a little bit of complicated steps involved with this too, but you can just draw a line dead center here. And we're going to just draw a line like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to split this design. What you want to do is make sure if your design is all grouped like this, you want to ungroup it. So Control, Shift, and G. We're going to ungroup it. And this compound path is an engraving. We're going to select that and select that line that we just drew outside here and the inside engraving. And we're going to click this divide button on the Pathfinder tool. If you don't have Pathfinder, you'll go to Window and you'll scroll down to Pathfinder and select it there. But as you can see, it now has a line split right in the center. What we need to do is ungroup this. So Control Shift G to ungroup. You'll see all of these pathways that are all separated now. So it can be kind of convoluted here. And what you got to do is you got to highlight everything up to that center point like that. And you can actually hold shift and deselect that outside cut line, and we can pull this over to the right if we want to now. And what we can do is you need to be careful with this, because if you highlight in here, some of these edges will be like outlines where it cut out the edge here, and it's going to have no fill and no stroke. What you're going to do is when you have one of those selected, you'll come up to select and click on same. And we're going to click on fill and stroke. So anything that's not a line or a fill is going to be selected, and we're going to just click delete. That's just to get rid of all the extra paths that was created when it divided. Now what we need to do is draw out a line in the exact same area here. We're going to just draw this line out so it overlaps our outside cut path here. We're going to do the same thing with both of those selected, the outside cut and that line we just created, and click divide. And then we're going to ungroup that with Control-Shift-G. And now you can move this over and snap it to the edge here. And you now have this split and perfectly set up to engrave. You may want to group your inside section here. So you can do Control-G to group all that together. So it'll move as one unit here if you want to. You can do the same thing on the left, or you can make it a compound path. I'd probably make it a compound path. If you don't know how to do that, you'll just select your entire engraving, go to Object, and then scroll down to Compound Path and click Make. And it's one entire image on this side. You can do the same thing on this side, where we'll select just the engraving section, go down to Compound Path and click Make. So now you can see these are just two different sections now instead of all different pathways. And that is how you create a split design in Illustrator and the Makeit software. I know I kind of went fast there, so if you have questions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll try and answer anything that I can, but hopefully this helped show you as quick as possible and be as to the point as possible so you can learn it here. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.